How 5G is revolutionizing IoT applications. The Internet of Things, IoT, is changing industries. It connects devices and allows data-driven decisions. As IoT ecosystems grow, they need faster, more reliable, and responsive networks. Their scale and complexity demand it. Introducing 5G, the latest evolution in mobile network technology. It promises to enhance IoT with ultra-low latency, massive connectivity, and high-speed data. This new era of connectivity will transform IoT apps in many sectors. This includes smart cities, healthcare, and industrial automation. Ultra-low latency for real-time IoT applications. One of 5G's greatest advances for IoT is ultra-low latency. It means the time it takes for data to travel between devices and networks. In IoT, many apps need real-time communication. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use data from sensors and cameras. 5G allows these vehicles to communicate in real time. They can then make split-second decisions to avoid accidents. Healthcare. In telemedicine and remote surgeries, even milliseconds of delay can be life-threatening. 5G enables real-time patient monitoring via IoT devices. Doctors can perform critical procedures with near-instant feedback. Enhanced data speed and bandwidth. Video surveillance. In security, IoT cameras create lots of high-definition video. 5G allows for fast data transfer to cloud systems. This enables real-time analytics and quicker threat detection. AR and VR. IoT apps in entertainment and education are using them. 5G's high speed lets users enjoy immersive environments. There is minimal buffering or lag. This makes for more realistic, interactive experiences. Improved reliability for mission-critical IoT smart factories. In manufacturing, IoT machines must communicate. Interruptions can cause costly downtime. 5G's reliability keeps factories running, preventing delays and boosting productivity. Aviation. In the aviation industry, IoT systems check plane performance and maintenance needs. 5G allows airlines to run real-time diagnostics during flights. It ensures efficient maintenance and reduces downtime. Security enhancements for IoT networks. Network slicing. 5G allows for virtual network slices. They're isolated, tailored sections of the network for specific apps. This feature separates critical IoT devices from less secure ones. It minimizes the risk of attacks. Encryption. 5G networks use stronger encryption protocols. They protect data sent between IoT devices and the cloud from interception. Conclusion. In conclusion, 5G will revolutionize the IoT. It will provide unmatched speed, connectivity, and reliability. It affects many industries. It enables real-time communication, supports many devices, and boosts data transfer. 5G is unlocking the IoT's full potential. It enables smart cities, healthcare, industrial automation, and autonomous vehicles.